Hello and welcome, friends. As you can tell, I'm starting to get a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera again. It's crazy how just not doing it for a while really puts you back into that fear mindset, and once you get going it's really not that bad. So if you've been waiting to do video or anything, go do it. It's the best way to get over that whole fear and confidence issues. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how to display your social media icons on your Squarespace website. First in the header, and then if there's any place else you want to place them on your website, I'll show you how to do that too. Before I do that, I do want to say it's important to be strategic about where you are placing these social media buttons. It seems obvious to make them stand out and be everywhere, and in the header, in the footer, as many places as you can get them, because you want people to connect with you on social media. But you also have to think strategically about what your end goal is on your website. If your end goal is to get people to sign up to a newsletter, to contact you, to take the next step, generally that's not to go on social media, because social media is full of distractions that are going to take away from you and your core message and the thing that you're trying to share, the message you are trying to share with your ideal client. And so what I would say is try and think about where you want your website visitor to go on your website, and is placing social media icons in this location going to help that, or is it potentially going to distract the website visitor and send them back into the world of social media where, let's face it, we all have ADD and we're going to get completely distracted by the 101 other people tweeting or posting or Instagramming or whatever. So now that's out of the way, I'll show you how this is done. Takes a few seconds. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chloe. I'm your digital marketing sidekick, here to help you publish, teach and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Before we can display your social media buttons or icons on your website, we first have to connect your networks to your website. And so to do that, you want to come into the back end and click on settings. Now you'll see two links here. One is social links and the second is connected accounts. These are very similar, but here's the difference. Social links, simply a link that will take you, it will display your button and it will take you to the profile. Connected accounts, on the other hand, allow Squarespace to push out your blog posts, say to Twitter or Pinterest, and it allows you to pull in your Instagram content and display it so that visitors can see an up-to-date look at your Instagram account. So that's the main difference between those two. So all you need to do to connect an account is to click Connect Account and choose from the options here. It will ask you to sign in and verify. With social links, it's very much the same. You just type in your social link and it picks up the main networks, and you can choose how they display. Now once you've done that, there's a couple of places we want to add social links. So I'm going to show you, come out of settings, home, and go into design. I'm going to show you how to display these on your header. So what you want to do is under the design tab, select site styles, type in header. This will bring up your header settings, and if you go down to header layout, you'll see social position. Now right now mine's are in the bottom right, but I can change where I want those to display. If I maybe wanted them in the bottom center, or if I wanted to hide them, I could do that too. So that's for your header settings. This is where you would come. Now, if you want to put the social links on a page on your website, here's how you do that. Come out of design, back to home, go to pages, and select the page you want to display it on. And I'm just going to scroll down here and choose a suitable place to display these. So maybe here I could put them under this quote. Select edit, look for the teardrop icon and click. And then all you have to do is search social link. And you'll now see the list of social links that you connected in your settings. You can choose which ones you want visible or not. So to remove it, you could just click remove if you wish to, so it's not visible. Under design, you can choose how they look. So I'm going to center mine, I'm going to keep them maybe medium. what style. I like to have them as a circle knockout, but you can choose whatever you like. And let's make them standard, just for a little bit of color. Click apply and click save. And it really is as easy as that. You can put these social icons anywhere on your website and people will be able to click through and connect with you. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. The comment is really just so that we can start a conversation, because I love getting to know you and learning about your business, your journey, what you're up to, and like also the questions that you have, especially regarding Squarespace. I want to be able to help you the best way that I can. So if you have any questions at all or want to chat, just leave a comment below and I'll meet you there.